Financial freedom is a goal many people aspire to, but often misunderstand. It isn't just about being rich or having a high-paying job, it's about having control over your finances so you can live life on your terms. Whether you dream of early retirement, traveling the world, or simply living without the stress of paycheck-to-paycheck survival, achieving financial freedom requires deliberate planning, disciplined habits, and a long-term mindset. In this video, I'll share my honest advice for those looking to achieve financial freedom. These insights aren't quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes, but are tried and true principles that will set you on the right path. Define your version of financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom is a deeply personal journey, and it starts with defining what that means to you. For some, financial freedom may mean having the ability to retire early and live comfortably without the need to work. For others, it could mean living debt-free, freeing themselves from the burdens of loans and credit, and having the peace of mind that comes with financial security. Some might seek flexibility, the ability to choose when and how to work, without being tied to a 9-to-5 job. To begin, take the time to understand and visualize your ideal lifestyle. Ask yourself what a day in your dream life looks like, where you live, what you do, how much you spend, and how you feel. Knowing these details will help you estimate how much money you need to live that life comfortably. This could mean planning for the cost of a home, travel, hobbies, healthcare, or even the financial resources to help others. Understanding the full picture of your desired lifestyle is key to setting realistic and meaningful financial goals. Your definition of financial freedom will directly influence your strategy. If your goal is to retire early, you might focus on saving aggressively and investing wisely. If you want to pay off debt first, your strategy may revolve around debt elimination before building wealth. By defining financial freedom in your terms, you'll have a clear target to work toward, which provides motivation and direction as you make decisions along the way. Clarity is the first step toward achieving your version of financial freedom. Create a realistic budget and stick to it. Budgeting is the foundation of financial freedom. Without a budget, it's impossible to track where your money is going. Start by listing your monthly income and categorizing your expenses into essentials and non-essentials. Allocate a specific portion of your earnings towards savings and investments before spending on discretionary items. Regularly review your budget to ensure it aligns with your goals. The goal isn't just to limit spending, but to redirect it toward building wealth. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is non-negotiable if you want to achieve financial security. Life is unpredictable, and an emergency fund acts as a buffer against unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Keep this fund in a high-yield savings account where it remains accessible but earns some interest. Having an emergency fund prevents you from dipping into investments or taking on high-interest debt during tough times. Live below your means. Many people fall into the trap of spending as much as they earn, or worse, spending more than they earn by relying on credit. To achieve financial freedom, you must adopt the habit of living below your means. This doesn't mean depriving yourself of everything. It means prioritizing needs over wants and avoiding lifestyle inflation. The key is to find joy in financial stability rather than material possessions. Every dollar you save by living below your means can be invested to build long-term wealth. Invest early and consistently. Saving alone won't make you financially free. To grow your wealth, you need to invest. Investing allows your money to work for you through compounding returns. Start as early as possible, even if you can only invest small amounts. Over time, these investments will grow significantly. Educate yourself about stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, and real estate to diversify your portfolio. The earlier you begin, the more time you give your investments to compound, which is one of the most powerful tools for wealth creation. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky, no matter how stable it seems. Diversifying your income provides additional security and accelerates your journey toward financial freedom. This could mean starting a side hustle, freelancing, or creating passive income streams like real estate or dividend-paying stocks. The idea is to reduce your dependency on one paycheck and create multiple pathways to financial security. Even small secondary incomes can make a big difference over time. Avoid high-interest debt. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom, especially high-interest consumer debt like credit card balances. If you have existing debt, make it a priority to pay it off as quickly as possible. Focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first, a strategy known as the avalanche method. Once you're debt-free, commit to avoiding unnecessary loans and using credit responsibly. Financial freedom isn't possible if you're constantly burdened by interest payments. Prioritize insurance to protect your assets. Unexpected events like illness, accidents, or natural disasters can derail your financial plans. Insurance is a vital tool for protecting your wealth and achieving financial freedom. Health insurance, life insurance, and property insurance provide coverage against major risks. While paying premiums may seem like an expense, it's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that comes with knowing your finances are protected. Regularly review your policies to ensure they meet your needs as your circumstances evolve. Educate yourself about money management. Financial literacy is one of the most powerful tools you can have. Take the time to learn about topics like budgeting, investing, taxes, and retirement planning. The more you understand about how money works, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. There are countless books, online courses, and podcasts available on personal finance. Commit to lifelong learning and stay informed about economic trends and financial tools that can help you grow your wealth. Develop long-term patience and discipline. The journey to financial freedom requires patience and discipline. There will be setbacks, and progress may feel slow at times, but consistency is key. Avoid the temptation to take shortcuts, such as speculative investments or get-rich-quick schemes. Focus on building sustainable habits, like saving regularly and investing wisely. Financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint, and it's important to stay committed to your goals, even when the path gets challenging. Invest in your skills and health. Your ability to earn money is one of your most valuable assets. By investing in yourself, whether through education, skill development, or personal growth, you increase your earning potential. At the same time, prioritize your health. A healthy body and mind enable you to work more effectively and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Financial freedom is meaningless if you don't have the health to enjoy it, so make self-care a priority alongside your financial goals. Automate your savings and investments. One of the easiest ways to build wealth consistently is by automating your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts each month. This ensures that you're paying yourself first and reduces the temptation to spend money impulsively. Automation makes wealth building effortless and ensures you stay on track toward your financial goals. Surround yourself with like-minded people. The people you spend time with can have a significant impact on your financial mindset. Surround yourself with individuals who share similar goals or values when it comes to money. These relationships can provide inspiration, accountability, and even new ideas for building wealth. On the flip side, avoid people who pressure you into spending recklessly or discourage your financial aspirations. Focus on experiences over material things. Many people mistakenly equate financial freedom with the ability to buy more things. However, true fulfillment often comes from experiences, relationships, and personal growth rather than material possessions. Shift your mindset toward valuing experiences over things, and you'll find it easier to manage your money wisely. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy luxuries, but it's about being intentional with your spending and prioritizing what truly brings you happiness. Celebrate milestones along the way. Achieving financial freedom is a long-term goal, and it's important to celebrate your progress along the way. Whether you pay off a significant debt, reach a savings milestone, or achieve a new income goal, take time to acknowledge your achievements. Celebrating these wins keeps you motivated and reminds you of why you started this journey in the first place. And that's it, folks. I hope this video gave you some valuable insights and actionable steps to start your journey toward financial freedom. Remember, achieving financial independence isn't an overnight process. It's about consistency, patience, and making smart decisions every single day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which of these steps resonated with you the most. Or do you have your own advice to share about achieving financial freedom? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and take one step closer to the life of freedom you deserve. See you in the next video.